Hey, what's up guys? Today we're working on the WRX, replacing the brakes and rotors. I got these cool DVA rotors, disc brakes Australia, and some cool ceramic pads. We're gonna get these all swapped out. They'll look good. Be a huge improvement over this. Look at this. This really deep groove rotor, and hopefully make us stop better. And then we'll go test this out in the canyon in a couple days. Maybe tomorrow, but we'll see. All right, let's get it done.
It's too late.
Ugh.
Fell off.
It's okay, you can still be good.
Assembly line. Watch out, Nixon, you're gonna get run over.
Don't rest it on that. Just lay down.
It's not gonna scratch it. It's on the bucket.
I know, but it won't fall that way. Ooh.
Yeah?
I guess that's no good, huh? It's supposed to have this. Is for gripping it. What do you think, Bud? Is this good for gripping it? No. All right, so starting off, we got the bolt off the back of the caliper, and it's just a little 12. And these things are pretty. Still got a little bit of meat on them, but the rotors are super dead, and I'm not going to reuse these brakes anyway. So, oh snap! We forgot a tool that we needed.
What? Psh, 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 psh. Money.
Okay. All right. So the calipers are 12, and then the bracket, so I can get this rotor off. This bracket that the caliper gets bolted to. It's held on with these 17s. Big dudes. There's 2 of them, and once I get this off, should just come right off. I mean, can't even raise it all the way, but let's see. There we go. This little dude comes off. There we go. Got one extremely beat up rotor with a huge lip. Getting replaced for some aesthetic, hopefully performance enhancing part. But we'll see. Let me go get some brake cleaner really quick and spray this off. Taking a quick break while he goes to get the brake parts cleaner and the C-clamps so we can compress these pistons, so I don't have a special tool for that. Oh man. You see it?
Another close up.
So good.
Clarify, we're not being paid.
Not being paid, just like it. Alright, and while I'm waiting for him to come back with the tool I need and the brake parts cleaner, start taking apart the back.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is what they look like in real life.
It's for real life. Get this 17 back in here. taking these old ones off. Got some freshies over here. Where's my freshies? Oops. Yeah, I think so.
Small ones in the back.
Replace, replace. Matches.
You don't want to lube?
Nope.
Nope. Ooh. Alright. Now we test drive it. Just kidding. Dude, you know what else would make this better? Are you guys done with your beer? As I can. Cavemanning this, just bleeding it into soda can while we're compressing it instead of pushing it back up into the system.
Soda. Dry. Soda. Into our custom brake bleeding system.
Damn, that's some black. Okay. Ooh, black as shit, dog. Okay. Okay.
Drink it, I dare you.
50 cents says you won't. 50 cents. Let's see if that was enough. We bled it using our caveman tactic.
Big caveman. Just enough.
Nice.
All
Perfect.
right.
Cool. Okay. All right. Putting it back together now. Alright, so we're gonna bleed these in a little bit. Alright, don't forget we have to bleed our brakes still. So this is just temporary. I'm gonna put my wheel on so I can get to the next one. Let me double check I can bleed my brakes through my wheels. I'm gonna bleed it first. Try out this fancy new pressurized bleeding system here from Motive Products.
Again, not paid.
Not paid. I had to pay for it. Yeah, just like we did with the 240 a little bit ago. Got to drain the reservoir as much as we can. Put some fresh Motul DOT4, and then push it through the system to get it nice and ready to stop. There we go.
Good.
Nice.
Perfect seal.
Yep.
That's all that matters. Joe's here. Well,
Directions. Tighten cap.
15 size.
Okay. Pressurized bleeder to recommended level. Do not exceed 50. Do not exceed 20. All right, so we go to 15. There we go. We got 15 pounds of super impressive pressure, and it's going. Oh man, this stuff's filthy.
Air bubbles everywhere.
Not air bubbles, those chunky chunks.
Well, that too, but there's air bubbles everywhere.
Are you watching it? What's the pressure at?
14.
Okay, keep going. Open it wider a little bit.
How's the level of fluid?
Okay, go. Pressure.
13.5.
Keep going till about 10.
Ew. Look at all that grime coming out. See that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ended up getting the wrong parts delivered for the rears, so I'm just gonna finish up in the front, bleed the back to make sure all the brake fluid is replaced, and then put it back together. Same old down. Oh well. All right, so I got the front brakes, rotors and pads changed. The rears that came were not the right ones for my car, so I have to return those, get the appropriate ones, but it's all good. That's the first time I used a power bleeder, and it was actually pretty sweet the way it works. I flushed the whole system, put some Motul DOT4 RBF something 600 brake fluid, and we'll see if that makes an actual difference besides on the track, which I still haven't done yet with this car. Yeah, but we had fun. Took a couple hours. Messing around mostly, but a couple hours nonetheless, and appreciate you watching. Yeah, subscribe. Thanks for watching.